forests, wildlife, landscapes. This is awesome Assam, the destination for your next vacation. Step into a world untouched, where dense forests whisper ancient tales, and every footstep leads to an unexplored wonder. Visit Dibru-Soikhwa National Park, a floodplain sanctuary, home to feral horses and gangetic river dolphins. The largest salic swamp in northeast India, shaped by River Brahmaputra's flow, a mosaic of marshes and grasslands pulsing with life. Step into the refuge of rare species, the Jaipur rainforest, where nature stands tall, housing some of the rarest and most vulnerable species of birds, mammals, primates, reptiles, butterflies, and aqua life, all waiting to be discovered. Explore India's only rainforest national park, Dihing Patkai National Park, where the endangered hullock gibbons swing gracefully and the hornbill echo through the dense canopy. At Nameri National Park, nature invites you to not just witness, but trek through the wilderness, raft along the pristine Jia Bharali, or camp under a star-lit sky. The wild here is not seen, but is felt in every breath. Home to the world's largest population of one-horned rhinoceros, no trip to Assam is complete without experiencing the UNESCO World Heritage Site, Kaziranga National Park. Be it on elephant safari or jeep ride, Kaziranga National Park offers one of the best wildlife experiences in the world. Just 30 kilometers from Guwahati, Pobitora Wildlife Sanctuary shelters world's highest density of one-horned rhinos. This compact reserve offers exceptional wildlife viewing, making it ideal for photographers and conservationists alike. For adventurers, for wildlife lovers, or for someone just looking to connect with nature, Assam is not just a destination, it's an experience. So come, explore the magic of awesome Assam.